Welcome to the clickmyproject.com. This is our project title eMedSearch. Here we are going to process an application called eMedSearch. We are going to search the medicine in the online. This is the abstract of our project. MedSearch is a software application which allows the user to easily know about the information of the medicines and the shops where it is present. It detailedly gives the information about the medicine and its location of the shops also. MedSearch is mainly helpful for searching the medicines and their locations. In the previous system, they provide the facility of purchasing the medicine in the particular medicine shop websites. Our proposed system gives the detailed information about the medicines and the names of the shops, area of the shops, and the medicines present, and it also provides the detailed information about the stock informations also, newly arrived medicine to the market, already existing medicines, etc. It also provides the easy access for the users to search the medicines and the related information about it. In this application, we partition the areas. We can able to filter out the areas and search the particular medicines. The persons involved in our process are a shop owner, people, maybe a patients or others, small medicine shops, etc. It provides the collaborative filtering approach, and using this approach we can easily able to filter the locations and identify the shops and medicines. The main advantage of our approach is it gives the alternate solution to the users who can able to purchase medicine. If one medicine is not available in a particular shop, it shows the alternate solution, that is alternate shops to that users, and he or she can able to purchase that medicine in that shop. This is the DFT of our process. First, the user may be a patient or a small medical shop. He or she should create an account for a security purpose. After the account creation, only using the password generated during the account creation, he or she can able to enter into the process. It may be a patient or a medical shop. After that, you are going to log into the process. Then the insertion process, the admin side process takes place. In the admin side, the admin can able to view all the details about the medicines, and he or she can able to view the details about the medicine shop owner's details also. He has the right to view the password details also. Afterwards, if a new medicine arrive in the market, means the admin allow the shop owners to update the details in our website. And then it also provides the facility of updation process, insertion process, and deletion process. If the particular stock is not available in a particular shop, he or she can able to delete that information also. Then the admin can able to view all the medicines present in all locations in a market. After that, the query formation process. The query formation process takes place in the side of the client. That is the user. The user is nothing but a patient. He or she can able to query the medicine, that is searching for the medicine. The searching for the medicine may be in the form of a medicine info or a location info. The query is processed based on by filtering out the location, or by filtering out the names of the medicine, or a quantity of the medicine, or by filtering out the amount of the medicine. Finally, based on this multi-categories, it shows the retrieved results. Let us see the demo of our process. Just enter into the NetBeans and run index2.jsp. The result of the JSP, that is application process, is shown under the browser. This is a home page of our process. First click the administrator. So the administrator username password should be known by the user. If you are not know the administrator username and password, just refer the database. The username is a root, the password is a admin. No. So the admin can able to view the patient information. These are the patient information which is registered already. Patient name, patient ID, age, gender, phone number, mail ID, etc. Back. Medical shop information. These are the medical shop informations which are the registered already. Then back. Then medicine information. These are the shop names, contain this medicine and the stock level and the amount. Admin have this rights to view all the patient information, all the medical shop information, all the medicine information. User. The user first process the patient registration process. Enter the patient name, patient ID, patient age, gender, phone number, email ID, password. Then register. After that, the medical shop registration. Shop name, mobile number, email ID, password, address, register. Now we are going to process the location based registration also. Enter the company name, company address, enter the location. In our process, I already told that we can able to process based on the location also. Medicine name, stock details, rate of the medicine. Then patient login, patient name, password, login. He can able to search by medicine, amount, all details, shop, stock, location. Click search by medicine, enter the medicine name. Search. It shows the shop name, mobile number, mail ID, address, etc. Then search by amount means enter the amount. The medicines comes under less than this amount or greater than this amount, able to search. Then if you want to view all the details, all the medicine and the shop details. Search by shop. Search. These are all the medicines present in the particular shop. Search by stock. And search. These are all the medicines has this stock equal to the 10. Search by location. Search. In this particular location, these medicines are present with this stock level, with this price level. Likewise, we can able to search by these categories, by medicine, amount, all the details, by shop, by stock, by location. The main objective of our process, it gives the alternate solution to the users if the particular medicine is present, not present in a particular shop. Thank you.